Alright guys, welcome back. Doge Unleashed. Let's go check in and see what the indicators are saying first, because I think that they are showing a lot more stuff than the chart. Let's go have a look at them. Sorry, I didn't mean to. So our MACD, we have a tremendous downforce here, and it looks like we've settled most of our bottoming area. However, we still have an area where we need to get over this. And all right, okay, you can see now we're building, but we're still sideways and down. So this May, we need to see a kick up into this late April. Let's go check out the next one. RSI. RSI has been down and bottomed. Are we about to come back and revisit this area? It's very possible and likely. If I put another angle on here and ran it down, it would probably coincide with an area in here. And that looks like similar to an older bottom here. That's the RSI. Volume. This one really particularly bothers me because the data, it just sometimes doesn't seem to be suggestive enough. But we have not seen any big spikes in volume yet. The biggest volume spike we did see was back in, November, right here. So, right, or the end of October when I told you guys to buy. Anyways, let's go ahead and let's go have a look at the stochastics. I measured the stochastic. It's a pretty wild move down. It's the same as one of our previous moves down, which are about the same amplitude. So it looks like it's settling down and we're finishing off our bottoming before another move up. Okay, that's the indicators, guys. Let's go look at the chart. I populated this chart with some bottoming lines and some moving up angles that go up together, right, parallel. And I've populated as well some areas where I felt that we would hit while moving up into this May top that I'm talking about here, or this late April and the latest May 1st. So could we make it up to 31? Of course, certainly. In our square we have 31 right here, and the lows for this entire thing is 5 cents, right? 5.7 cents, I believe. So 6 cents resonates well. And coming across this, here's 21 cents. We got to get above this, right? This 21, 22 cent area right here. We got to get above this. This is critical for us right here. And I think that that's our first major target right now. So be prepared for a move up to this area here. Now, looking further, we have 26, and that represents this area right here. So this is the next targeting area that we would be looking to exit at, or we would look for a place where it's going to show resistance. Next, of course, would be the 31 level, and then wrapping this mostly up would be this 34 level right in here. I mean, this is a big part of this market right here. And then a topping pattern, right, our 37, and then the 40. And I think if we were to do this here, that would reconfirm that the end of the year, I feel we will be moving to much higher prices. Let's go have a look to see what Roland is talking about. Well, it looks like sometime in this late October or some period in September to October and November, we could be around the $1.38 area. Not saying we will be, but it's very possible we could. We could revisit this 92 cents, or visit this 92 cents, and as well as 70 cent level as well. And of course we have 70 cents on our ring here. So this is a level that we could see possibly moving up to. We have a stellium of planets here as well. So that's what I got for you guys today, and I just wanted to show you what I think is likely or possible. We have the rest of this downturn to live out, and then shortly after that, we're going to be making a rally. Anyways, I thought I'd show you guys that. Peace and love.